This tiny parrot is the most popular of all pet birds, but in the wild it lives far from human company in some of the driest parts of the outback. For much of the time, they flit around in small groups, just a few hundred strong, sharing information on where the best food and water can be found. These small search parties look for the wild grass seeds that make up the budgies' staple diet. Grazing animals such as kangaroos show where ripe grasses are most likely to be found. The budgies also watch what other flocks of birds are getting up to. Gradually, the merry band gathers followers. Soon, it numbers many thousands. Then, it grows to millions. This is one of the largest flocks of budgerigars ever seen. They now act like a superorganism, pooling their knowledge to find the best sources of food and water. With so many minds working together, they have an overview of vast areas of the outback.